And there's a lot of fear, stress, and uncertainty surrounding the COVID-19 virus. Sometimes that might even prevent someone from seeking medical attention when it's really needed. Our Nora Bettis spoke to some experts about that issue, and she finds that now might actually be the safest time to see your doctor.
Please don't avoid the ER.
This advice coming from the City County Health Department, urging people to seek medical care if they need it, when they need it. Too often, a patient will arrive at a doctor's office or emergency room having already developed complications such as dehydration because they waited too long to get help. But Dr. Kim Anyafrak with the Nueces County Health District says people shouldn't worry about their safety at medical centers.
Because of COVID-19, there's been extra precautions, extra measures in place.
Another issue right now, patients putting off surgeries and other types of care. Governor Abbott relaxed restrictions on many medical procedures and treatments last month, and there's a plan for those situations as well.
Part of the procedures right now is you're going to get tested for COVID-19 first.
In short, with all the extra precautions taken at medical facilities at this time, we should all feel perfectly safe while seeking treatment at our hospitals and emergency rooms.
Don't be afraid to go get medical help just because there is a pandemic going on.
Nora Bettis, 3 News.